Hey guys, it's Rylan Lindley here with MarineMax in Louisville, and today I'm sitting on a 2018 Sea Ray SPX 230, one of Sea Ray's home run boats. So this is a 23-foot boat with a 6.2 liter 300 horsepower and a Bravo 3, so needless to say this is Sea Ray's most outstanding boats when it comes to performance. So right here on the back I'm sitting on a really comfortable sun pad. This does have the ability to flip up into a nice backrest, so for whenever you're hanging out with the family, Sea Ray really likes to create a good social zone on the back of their boats. So you have this nice little spot to hang out with. You do have your stereo remote right here on the transom, so turn up your volume, change your station, whatever it may be. And something really cool that's starting to see on a lot of boats is you have this submersible swim platform on the back right here. So this little guy right here drops down into the water about 4 to 6 inches. So it's a really good platform to swim up to when you're hanging out on the back of the boat, whatever it may be. So we do have the sea deck equipped on the back of this boat, which is awesome for when you're bare feet. It's not slippery and it doesn't get hot in the sunshine. So something that Sea Ray does is what's called a transom walkthrough. So right here on the side, we're not stepping on any upholstery, getting in and out of the boat. So that's really going to save the life of it. And you'll notice even right here, we have already equipped a trickle charger on this boat. So you do have twin batteries already, plus a trickle charger. So whenever you're done for the day, you just plug in your extension cord right here on the side, and y'all are going to be ready to go for next time. So coming into the cockpit, the SPX series does a really good job of not bulking out these combing pads too much, so it really creates a lot of interior space. So right here on the back, obviously cooler space is important. So you do have a built-in cooler right here on the bottom, and then under this seat is either storage or it is an insulated cooler. So you can go ahead and ice everything down, have your drinks, your sandwich meat, whatever it may be, just ready to roll. Not only that, but we do like to order our boats with the upgraded Rockford Fosgate stereo system. So you'll notice it does have the upgraded speakers. Your subwoofer is going to be right behind the captain's chair, so great for hearing the sound. And then you'll notice we already do have the big can speakers on your tower, which is a true water sports tower. You do have your higher tow point right here on the top. So this boat is phenomenal for wakeboarding. You have your lower tow point on the back if y'all want to ski or tube. Whatever it may be, this boat can make it happen. So you'll notice right here on the front, you have the two captain's chairs. Both are equipped with a bolster seat, which personally I do like to sit a little taller whenever I'm driving the boat. Gives me a little bit more visibility and maneuverability. So sitting right here on the dash, this one does have the select interior, which means it's just a beautiful vinyl wrapped helm station. We ordered this one with the Simrad Go 5 unit, so that gives you a full chart plotter of the lake. Shows you all the contour depth lines, so you know if you're coming up on a sandbar. It'll have flooded timber already preloaded into the map, so whatever lake you go to, you know you're going to be safe. Not only that, but the 6.2 liter does come with digital throttle and shifting, so shifting in and out of gear is very easy. Whenever you find your sweet spot, you're not having that down throttle, you have that cable pulling back. So just a really smooth ride from Sea Ray. So going into the 23-foot SPX, you do gain a head. So nice bathroom in there. Not only that, but great storage on the boat. Below my feet is going to be some infinity woven flooring. This is really great for the Texas sunshine. It's a very breathable material, so it doesn't allow for the flooring to get too hot or anything like that. It's almost hydrophobic, so water doesn't want to sink in and retain inside of your flooring, so it doesn't kind of keep that lake smell in the boat. Sea Ray does a really good job of keeping its quality, you know, through the years of you having the boat. Then obviously you do have storage underneath every seat. You're going to see finished out fiberglass. And then just a really deep bow, have anchor storage up front as well. You never have too short of storage. Not only that, but we did equip this boat with the LED lighting package. So underneath all of your seat bases, you are going to see LED lights. So at nighttime, it really creates a good feel for the boat and the family. So like I said, guys, my name is Rylan Lindley with MarineMax here in Louisville. We're located right off the 35. If y'all have any more questions about the boat, feel free to contact me or anybody else. We'd love to assist you, and thank you. Have a wonderful day.